IRMOS data storage, a part of the ISONI infrastructure, is provided within each node of the demonstration testbed using a high-performance, luster-based clustered storage system. Each storage node connects to each host and multiple application service components, running within virtual machines and communicating via an InfiniBand network. Disk-based data storage systems are essentially serial access electromechanical devices with significant limitations in latency and bandwidth. Our task is to predict the performance capability of the storage system such that quality of service can be guaranteed, even when it is shared by multiple users. We have integrated complex models of the behavior of the system to enable this. This monitoring tool shows how a storage pool has been created for the raw digitized video material from the post-production demo application. This has previously been negotiated via the SLA managers to provide 2 terabytes of capacity and up to a total of 200 megabytes per second of bandwidth. The management tool allows us to simulate a further request for storage for a 24-hour period in the future, but during the time the existing application is running. We will request a 500 gigabyte pool of data storage with a bandwidth need of 80 megabytes per second for use by a video application. Observe that the total allocated bandwidth has risen to 280 megabytes per second, but also, and more importantly, the capability of the system has been significantly reduced due to the interaction effects which have been modelled within the storage manager. This is referred to as the system quality of service capability and is a function of the demands, access profiles and interactions between users. If we now make a further SLA request for bandwidth from this storage pool, we can see it exceeds the capability of the system and will normally be automatically rejected and rolled back during the technical SLA negotiation phase. Finally, we can see the system operating normally with multiple data connections to the storage pool for the post-production application. Each connection monitored will be regulated and throttled such that it does not exceed its requested performance and interfere with other users of the resource. This concludes the discussion on storage.